Dogs are so boring. Follow me. Go away. Is that all dogs are good for? Not anymore. Introducing A Dog's Life. An immersive and intuitive way of making dogs not only more useful, but feel more like a pet than a combat blockade. Begin by purchasing a dog from a breeder, or find a stray to adopt as your own. Be warned though, some dogs may need more convincing than others. A Dog's Life comes packed with the features you might expect, such as trading, home assignment, naming, and even petting. More advanced features include dog harnesses, fetching items, dog tracking, and much more. Of course, there's even something for those of you looking for a more hardcore, immersive, ultra-realistic, eye-popping, jaw-dropping experience. It's time to enable the needs features, including hunger and happiness. This does of course mean that your dogs will need to be regularly fed with various different food items, and you'll need to make sure your pooch is happy, or he may run away, or, much worse, starve to death. If that's all a little bit too advanced and morbid for you, fear not, as you can control everything in the mod configuration menu. Just click this, click that, click all the things you want, and all the things you don't. It's a dog's life, and they deserve better.